Alright, today we're gonna try the Cushman mango. This has got a cool round shape to it. Looks really cool. And I'm excited to give this a shot. Let's see what it's all about here. Let's see. Oh yeah, that looks really nice. Give it a smell. Nice, smells sweet. Cut the other side here. This is a really big mango with an interesting shape. Looks almost like an apple almost in shape. There's the other side. Now let's do the honors and let you know what it tastes like. Classic flavor. Classic mango flavor, I should say. And it's smooth. Very smooth, sweet. I want to say maybe slightly floral. I really like this. I like this. It's good. First time ever trying it, and the seed is not all that big for how big this fruit is. And so that's the Cushman mango. Kind of hard to talk so much when you're so interested in eating the fruit. But it's very good. I recommend trying it. Maybe grow it if you'd like. If you're growing it or you love it, Cushman mango, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. I'm going to enjoy the rest of this. See ya.